In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen. So the way you can record your screen on iPhone is you want to open up the command center. And the way you do this is by going to the top right of your screen on your phone, and you want to pull down so it opens up your control center. Now, the way you can record your screen from here is by clicking on this record button, which I can't currently do because I am currently recording a video right now, but you would typically hit that record button and it would start recording your screen. If you don't see this record button, what you have to do is go to your settings. So you can go down to your settings. Once you open up the settings app, you want to scroll down to where you see control center right here. And you want to go down to where it says more controls, and you want to click on the one that says screen recording and click on the plus icon right next to it. That's going to add it to your included controls. So that way, when you pull down your control center, you're going to see that recording button right on your control center. And again, if you want to stop recording, all you have to do is just open up your control center again and tap on the recording button again, and that's going to stop the screen recording. Anyway, that is how you can record your screen on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.